All right, let's get started. Think about your house. You have locks on your doors and windows, right? You use them to keep your stuff safe and to keep uninvited people out. It's a simple idea that we all understand. We want to protect what belongs to us. Now take that very same idea and apply it to the internet, to your computer and to your smartphone. That, my friends, is cybersecurity. It's the science of protecting your digital world. It's all about the tools, the habits, and the ideas we use to keep our information safe from digital intruders, just like a good lock keeps a burglar out of your home. It's not just for big companies or governments, it's for you, me, and everyone who uses the internet. Now your digital world is filled with all sorts of important things. It's not just photos of your cat, though those are very important. It's your bank account information, your private messages to friends and family, your home address stored in an online shopping account, and even your personal thoughts saved in a notes app. Alright, to protect ourselves, we first need to know what we're up against. Let's talk about some of the most common online threats you might encounter. Think of these as the tricksters of the digital world. The first and most common one is called phishing. Imagine you get an email that looks like it's from your bank. It has the bank's logo, it looks official, and it says there's a problem with your account. It urges you to click a link and log in immediately to fix it. Think of a password as the key to one of your digital rooms. If you use the same simple key for every single room, your email, your banking, your social media, then if a trickster gets that one key, they can open every single door. That's why the first rule of password science is use a different password for every important account. I know, it sounds like a lot to remember, but it's incredibly important. Now, let's become digital detectives and learn how to spot a fish in the wild. Or, well, in your inbox. The first clue to look for is the sender's email address. Scammers are really good at making the sender's name look legitimate, like your bank support. But if you carefully inspect the actual email address, you'll often find a giveaway. It might be a strange personal email address, like yourbank.support@gmail.com, or a domain that's slightly misspelled, like support@yourband-k.com. The second clue is the tone of the message. Phishing emails often try to create a sense of urgency or fear. Your smartphone and your computer are the main gateways to your digital life. Securing them is like making sure the doors and windows of your digital house are strong and locked. The single most important thing you can do is to keep your software updated. This means your operating system, like Windows, macOS, iOS, or Android, and all the apps on it. Okay, take a deep breath. Even with the best precautions, sometimes things can go wrong. You might notice a strange post on your social media, or get a notification about a login from a place you've never been. If you suspect one of your accounts has been hacked, the most important thing is to act quickly, but not to panic. The first step is to try and reclaim the account. Go to the account's login page and try to change the password immediately. We've talked a lot about securing your accounts and devices, but let's talk about securing your connection, especially when you're out and about. Public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop, airport, or hotel is incredibly convenient. The best tool for the job is a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN is a fantastic piece of software that creates a secure private tunnel for your internet traffic, even on a public network. It encrypts all the data leaving your device. We have covered a lot of ground today. It might seem like a lot, but it all comes down to a few simple, powerful ideas. Think of this as your basic cybersecurity toolkit, the essential gear for navigating the digital world safely. First, and most importantly, is password hygiene. Use strong, long, and unique passphrases for all of your important accounts. And wherever you possibly can, turn on two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This simple step of requiring a second key, a code from your phone, is one of the most effective ways to stop hackers in their tracks. By putting these principles into practice, you're taking control of your own online safety. Now that's science.